Hey guys, so tonight, I just shot a video on the Channellocks. If you want to watch that, uh, should have the video posted by now before I do this video. But today we're going to talk about oil filter pliers. Now again, just did the video on the Channellock style pliers. If you want to watch that, that's why they're here. Let me move some stuff around. But this one should be a short one. The best pliers are probably trying to think of the word subjective. Yeah, subjective, because objective is a given truth. But with oil filter pliers, you can use them for a lot of things other than just oil filters, right? So you can use these for turning pipes and what have you. But the main purpose, obviously, is for oil filters, fuel filters, etc. Now, these are from Harbor Freight. These are the Holts, and I think these were the first, like, really good pliers that I bought. I don't know where it's at, otherwise I'd show it here, but I had one of the ones that's like, it's a cam style. So, for example, it has like the cam style adjustment. I think you can buy those anywhere for super cheap. I hate those. Don't get those. Honestly, if you don't have another option, go to Harbor Freight, get this. These are really good pliers. They grip real good. The teeth are nice and sharp. Get these. They're auto adjusting, makes it super easy when you're in a tight location underneath the car. And they grab a nice variety of things, right? That will turn. And if it doesn't turn, just squeeze harder. Right? The Holt Industries, Holt Industries oil filter pliers. I don't remember the price. I've had these forever. And, you know, inflation and whatnot. But these are, I think they were less than 30 bucks. They grip really well. But if you want to get some USA made ones, Channellock makes one. This smaller one, I don't remember the price because I bought it as a pack. I think this pack was like 30-40 bucks. But these, what I like about them is you can set the adjustment and it stays as long as you don't turn past right there. So as long as you're actively working with it and it doesn't fall out of your hand, it stays, which I really like. Now, if you are going to be doing some bigger oil filters, most of you probably don't need this, but you got these really big ones here. The size, it's a number 215, and this is a number 212 for reference. And I think you can find these at O'Reilly's, actually. Actually, I think you can buy a 2-pack of these at O'Reilly's. Keep that, or not O'Reilly's, Tractor Supply. My bad, Tractor Supply. But these will grab some really, really big filters. You shouldn't, unless you're working on, like, say, big excavators, big bulldozers, etc. You probably don't need anything bigger than this. And really, if you like that size, but you want some good leverage, these close almost as small, I think. Yeah, so the big ones, even if you don't need them to go the max size, they give you that leverage that you might need. A third option here, if you're doing filters bigger than what this can do, is this, or the Knipex version. This is my only Knipex that I currently have, but they make a 22-inch. So it's technically bigger than this, but this actually opens up wider. And I've used this to get some really big filters that were just barely able to fit. And these will do the trick. These will definitely do the trick. if the filter's put on right. Let me put it that way. There have been times where you have to jam a screwdriver and a pry bar through, but this will get the job done. And the Knipex version, if you got the money to spend on it, they make the really big giant one, and that will get the job done too. I think that's all I got for this. Again, short video. Hope that helps.